Hi, this is Kurt with Grimburg, and this is the new TYR rifle. We gave this rifle all the features that we wanted in all the other rifles that we've been working with for about 7 years. It is based on our gavel launcher, but it's got a volume chamber in the back, and it's got a 7-inch barrel, and it gets about almost 60 joules, maybe 59. Comes with the UTG Pro handguard. Optional is this Walther Viridian light, and it's about 500 lumens, and the profile starts in front and it blends back nicely into the handguard. Also optional is this Viridian green dot with a riser. We supply the riser, and this is from Viridian, the RFX 11. It's the same one that we use on our carry. It's super small, but still gives a good sight picture. Okay, so we got the Tippmann True Feed magazines here. We've got a 12 round and a 12 round and a 7 round. I think 2 of the 7 rounds would be better because it's just a really small, super small package. And they're both strong magazines. We've got a Magpul hand stop right here at the front. That's so you grab the launcher here and your hand doesn't slip off the front. That way you won't shoot yourself in the finger. It also lets you move around a little bit, gives you a little better grip. The trigger here is A2 tool steel. Oh yeah, let's show you that. That's a really positive, it's a super positive engagement there. It feels good. You have a inline ASA that you spin it. You just spin it like that to turn it on and off. It's a really well-tested system, and this one works great. Going down the line here, we have an 800 PSI regulator. You have one of our 9CI tanks here. There's the ASA, here's the regulator, here's the 9CI tank. These are super small, and we have a buttstock here that's 3D printed nylon. It's pretty nice. This is a Magpul K2 XL AR-15 grip right there. It wants to be more straight up and down, like an SBR. That's about it. This is the new TYR launcher. We sold a few already. We're doing a few more in a second run, and get them while you can. Thanks. I guess